Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot sauce with cayenne peppers. Start by washing and destemming your cayennes, then roast or sauté until softened to deepen flavor. Blend peppers with vinegar, garlic, salt, and a touch of sugar until smooth. Simmer briefly to meld flavors, then cool and strain for a silky texture. Bottle and refrigerate for best flavor, shaking before each use for up to 4 weeks. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results. Use about 1 pound of cayenne peppers, 1 cup of vinegar, 2 cloves garlic, and 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust vinegar for tang and sugar for balance if desired. For milder heat, remove some seeds. For extra heat, keep seeds and ribs. Cook briefly after blending to mellow raw pepper sharpness, then cool before bottling to preserve bright flavor and shelf life. Fermentation adds complexity if you want a tangy depth. Pack peppers with salt into a jar, weigh them down, and let ferment at room temperature for 3 to 7 days. Taste daily and refrigerate when desired acidity appears. For quick hot sauce, skip fermentation and use vinegar instead. Both methods yield flavorful sauce, so experiment to find your preferred balance between bright vinegar tang and fermented umami richness and patience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.